In this video, you will learn how to set the pass and fail thresholds when testing your fiber with EXFO's FPM-600 and FOT-600. Setting thresholds allows you to determine what is acceptable power loss on the fiber you are testing. The front LED will light up green if successful or red if failed. To set your pass-fail threshold, start by pressing the Setup button repeatedly until you reach PM. Press the Next button to access the first submenu. Proceed to press Setup repeatedly until you reach the PF menu. Press the dBm/WdB button to switch between power and loss values. Press Next to switch between available wavelengths. An asterisk appears between activated thresholds. If no threshold is set for a wavelength, the unit indicates 4 dashes. Press the curved arrow button to activate or deactivate the displayed threshold. The pass-fail LED will light up red or green when you return to normal mode. To edit your pass-fail threshold, begin by holding down the Next button for a few seconds until the first digit of the threshold blinks. You can clear all digits by holding down the Setup button for a few seconds. If you don't want to clear them all, you can select a digit to change by holding Next until it blinks. Then, increase its value by pressing the curved arrow button. The value will return to 0 after the number 9. After the last digit, all digits will blink. While a digit blinks, hold down Next for a few seconds to save the modified value. Note that these values will remain in the device's memory even when you turn off the unit. You can also press the Power button to return to the previous value without saving. Once complete, you can press the Power button twice to exit the setup menus.